Today we're diving into one of Apple's most premium audio products, the AirPods Max, and how you can take care of them like a pro. At $550 a pair, these are not just headphones, they're an investment. And like any investment, they deserve some maintenance love. In this video, I'll walk you through daily care tips, deep cleaning, battery health, software updates, travel safety, and even sound quality protection. So, if you've got a pair of AirPods Max or you're thinking about getting them, this guide will help you get the most out of them. Let's get started. 1. Daily care routine. Let's start with daily habits. These might seem simple, but they go a long way. Wipe after every use. Use a soft, lint-free microfiber cloth to gently wipe the ear cups and headband after each session. If you've been sweating or walking outside, this helps remove skin oils, moisture, and dust before they cause long-term damage. Avoid moisture buildup. Moisture can degrade the memory foam inside the ear cushions. Make it a habit to leave the ear cushions facing upward on your desk, to air out if you've used them for a long time. Use a stand or case. Don't just toss them onto your bed or desk. Use a headphone stand or keep them in a hard shell case. Apple's Smart Case puts them in low power mode, but doesn't protect them from impact. Handle with care. The aluminum ear cups look sleek, but can scratch easily. Always pick them up and place them down, gently. 2. Deep cleaning guide. About once a week, or at least every couple of weeks, it's time for a deeper clean. Remove the cushions, just pull gently, they're magnetic. Once off, use a cloth dampened with warm water and mild soap to gently clean the fabric side. After cleaning, let them dry naturally for at least 1 hour before reattaching. Clean the speaker mesh. Use a dry, soft bristled toothbrush or a can of compressed air to clean the mesh inside the ear cup. Don't push too hard, this is a sensitive area. Mesh headband. Take a soft toothbrush and sweep out any dust gently. You can also use a damp cloth, but avoid saturating the mesh. It's not waterproof. Don't forget the digital crown. Clean around the crown and noise control button. These collect grime over time. Use a toothpick or brush carefully. 3. Battery care and charging tips. Macs have a solid battery life, but like all lithium-ion batteries, they degrade over time. Here's how to extend their life. Charge smart. Don't let them drop to 0% regularly. Try to keep them between 20% and 80% for daily use. Don't overcharge. Apple's smart charging tech is great, but leaving them plugged in for days isn't ideal. Charge when needed, then unplug. Use certified chargers. Unreliable cables can cause inconsistent charging and degrade the battery. Smart Case sleep mode. When you store them in the Smart Case, they go into an ultra-low power mode. But if you're traveling, consider manually powering them down using a shortcut or letting them rest at 50 to 60% battery. 4. Software and firmware. Your AirPods Max get smarter over time, thanks to firmware updates. Firmware updates are automatic. As long as they're paired to your iPhone, connected to Wi-Fi, and charging, Apple will push updates quietly in the background. Check the version, go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the I next to AirPods Max, scroll to version. Compare it with Apple's firmware page, if you're curious. Reset if you experience bugs. Long press the digital crown and noise control button together for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber, then white. 5. Sound quality maintenance. You've paid for great audio, let's keep it that way. Avoid loud volumes for long periods. Listening at full blast not only risks your hearing, but it stresses the drivers. Stick to 70 to 80% volume. Inspect the sound balance. If one side sounds lower than the other, clean the ear mesh. It might be clogged with wax or dust. EQ settings. Customize EQ in Apple Music or Spotify if something sounds off. Noise cancellation. Glitches? Reset and update firmware. Poor ANC could be caused by blocked microphones. 6. Travel and storage tips. Traveling with your AirPods Max, here's how to protect them. Avoid hot cars or direct sunlight. Extended exposure to heat can warp plastic parts and affect battery chemistry. Hard shell case is a must. The Smart Case doesn't offer full protection. Consider cases from brands like Waterfield, Spigen, or Catalyst. Add silica gel packs. These help keep moisture away, especially important in humid environments or rainy seasons. Keep away from metal or magnetic fields. The AirPods Max have internal magnets. Avoid placing them near strong magnetic sources like speakers or power banks. 7. Repair, warranty, and Apple Care. You get a 1-year limited warranty, but if you travel often or use your headphones heavily, consider Apple Care Plus. Apple Care Plus covers accidental damage, with service fees that are a lot cheaper than replacing your AirPods Max entirely. If your headphones start to rattle, lose battery quickly, or sound distorted, even after resets, it's time to contact support. Use the Apple Support app or visit the Apple Store Genius Bar. Avoid third-party repairs. They rarely work with AirPods Max. 8. Enhancing long-term comfort. Comfort is just as important as sound quality, especially if you wear your AirPods Max for hours at a time. Over time, even the best headphones can start to feel a little heavy or fatiguing. Here's how to keep comfort optimized long-term. Monitor clamp force. AirPods Max have a strong clamping design. While this helps with noise isolation, it can become uncomfortable. Try stretching the headband gently over a stack of books overnight, just slightly, to reduce clamp force over time. Replace cushions every 6 to 12 months. The memory foam in the ear cushions gradually compresses with use, which affects both comfort and passive noise cancellation. Apple offers replacements, or you can explore third-party options like Dakoni for added breathability. Use headband cushions. If the mesh headband starts to sag or feel uncomfortable, some third-party accessories offer attachable cushions that help redistribute weight and reduce head fatigue. Watch out for neck strain. The 385-gram weight can strain your neck during long Zoom calls or editing sessions. Take regular breaks, or switch to lighter earbuds if you're going to be seated for long hours. 9. Best settings and apps for power users. If you want to unlock the full potential of your AirPods Max, there are some awesome hidden settings and tools worth exploring. Spatial audio settings. Go to your iPhone settings. Accessibility, AirPods, audio accessibility settings. Enable head-tracked spatial audio. This gives a more immersive experience while watching movies or playing games on supported apps like Apple TV Plus or Disney Plus. Optimize for calls and meetings. You can switch the microphone from automatic to left-right manually in settings. Bluetooth, AirPods Max, microphone. This is helpful if one side picks up better audio or if you're in a noisy environment. Battery widget for at-a-glance status. Add the iOS battery widget to your home screen to see real-time AirPods Max charge level without opening settings. Spatialized stereo. For apps that don't support spatial audio, you can enable Spatialized Stereo to simulate surround effects, handoff, and seamless switching. If you use multiple Apple devices, go to Settings, AirPods Max, enable automatic switching. It works surprisingly well between iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Accessibility features. Apple's headphone accommodations let you tune frequencies for your hearing profile. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio, Visual, Headphone accommodations. So, that's everything you need to know to keep your AirPods Max in top condition. A little daily care and smart maintenance can keep them sounding incredible for years and save you a lot of money in the long run. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech guides and Apple tips. And if you have any questions or your own tips to share, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.